Test drive the 2017 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering, leather shift knob. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.